Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind, on this platform. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button down below. Subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. And if you want to become part of my members, kindly make use of the join button down below. Being a member is a way of showing support to me, and I pray may Olodumare continue to support you. And if you want to make use of our donation page, you can check the description section to check out my Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you. In this video, I want to talk about color. Color. The color that I'm talking about is the clothes that an Onisese should wear. This topic is a very important topic for those of you who are coming newly into Isese. You may have been hearing about which color or what color of the cloth you should wear. Should you wear black, red? Is it only white that you should be wearing as an Onisese? So this video is exactly going to talk about the color of the cloth an Onisese should wear, whether it is forbidden for an Onisese to wear a particular color or not. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking at. Many of you may have encountered this guide that this is the kind of cloth you should wear. Now, this video is based on my own observation and based on my research and based on the experience that I've gathered. First of all, I want you to understand that being initiated into an Orisha is totally different from being a practitioner or being a follower of Isese. If you are an initiated practitioner or a practitioner or a follower, initiated and follower, there are two different categories in Isese. So we have initiated fellow, then we have the followers. The initiated Isese practitioners are those who are initiated into one or two or more than two Orishas. Now, as you know that as an initiated person in Isheshe, definitely there must be some rules and regulations that you have to abide with, right? But when we are talking about followers, followers are the lovers of Isheshe. Followers are the people who like to participate in the activities of Isheshe. For instance, festivals, for instance, offering of sacrifice to an Orisha. So, if you are not initiated into any of the Yoruba Orishas, then you are free to live your life as you want it to be. So when I say free to live your life as you want it to be is a type of color of clothes you can wear or which color you should not wear, right? So if you are initiated into a particular Orisha and you have been told not to wear a certain color, it is very, very advisable for you to abide by that rule that this is what this Orisha doesn't like. So don't do this. This is what the Orisha you have initiated to doesn't like. There is no point getting yourself initiated into an Orisha if you know that you are going to be breaking the rules. So coming to become an initiated Orisha priest or priestess, then definitely you should abide by the rules and regulations. And this boils down to the issue of color. Which color an Orisha practitioner should wear? So I think you understand what I'm talking about. If you are initiated, then definitely if you are told that you should not wear a certain color, then you must stop wearing it. But if you are a follower, you are a follower, you are not a Christian, you are not a Muslim, but you call yourself or you see yourself as Isheshe practitioner. If you see yourself as an Isheshe follower, then definitely you do not have any particular color that you should wear or you should not wear because you are not initiated. So if you are not initiated, you can wear any color that you want because some people who are the practitioners, who are the copper, even the initiated ones, some of them see that when someone wears black, they see it as, oh, you're not supposed to wear black. Oh, you are wearing red. Okay, let's look at it. If you are a lover of Isheshe and you want to be associated with all the Orishas, so and you know that each Orisha has their own color. So if you want to be like Eshu today, you can wear red and black and say, okay, let me just show my love for a shoe today, you can wear red and black, or you can wear pure red and say, oh, let me show my love for Shango. And we can say, okay, let me wear yellow today because yellow is attached to Oshun. Oh, let me wear white. White is the generic color. The color that the most Orisha people wear is white. So if you feel that, okay, let me dress white today, I'm talking about the followers. So if you are a follower of Isese and you are not under any initiation, then you are free to wear any color that you want as far as I'm concerned and based on my observation. Even there are some initiated Orisha or there are some priests or priestess that will tell you, especially the priestess. I've interviewed a priestess that says, oh, I wear the color that I want. My Orisha doesn't say I shouldn't wear a certain color. And there are some other people who are initiated into that same Orisha that they will say this is a certain color that their Orisha says they should be wearing. So what I'm talking about is that this spirituality of a team is a personal thing, is your connection, your personal connection with your Orisha, right? If you know that if you wear black, black doesn't disturb you, you don't have any strange feelings when you wear black, then you are free to wear your black. Then if you feel that okay, anytime you wear white, people love you more, then you can set some rules for yourself. That is if you are a follower, right? So it's a self-discovery. Orisha practice is a self-discovery, or let me say it's a practice, because it's a practice is talking about your spirituality. There are some Orishas that are even ruling over you, but you do not know about it. So this Orisha will definitely be guiding you, guiding your day-to-day activities. So if you know that okay, anytime you wear red, there is this kind of bad luck that normally comes to you, then you know that okay, you shouldn't be wearing red. So you don't need to wait for someone to tell you whether you should be wearing a certain color or not. The followers, you can discover yourself by yourself if you are not under any initiation. So you can set the color that you want for yourself. So there is no certain rules or there is no certain color that an initiation practitioner should wear except you are initiated. Please don't get me wrong, except you are initiated. So if you are initiated and the person that initiated you says that your Orisha says you should not be wearing this, then you have to listen. You have to listen. So it is not good for you to be warned and you decided not to take heed. Okay. So thank you very much. I think this topic has given you some hints and definitely will help you further in your spiritual journey as far as Yoruba spirituality is concerned. Thank you very much. This is Get a Better Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, tradition, and religion. Don't forget to join my membership to show your support. When you join, you know you are going to be part of the people that I see all the time that I pray for. I pray for all of you. I pray for everybody. But definitely, anytime I go to the memberships section, I'm happy that there are people that are actually supporting me financially, and I appreciate. I appreciate. May Olodumare continue to bless you. Thank you very much. Ifa Lonimogba is showing. Please watch all the series and give me likes, give me comments, and try and share the movie for me so that it can go viral. Thank you very much and get a better life. Bye for now.